With Matilda Visits, we are today in Foynes, where there is the Flying Boat Museum, as it was once the hub of the world when it comes to aeronautical adventures. As in the years before the Second World War, planes would take off from here, flying boats, so to speak, to the United States on the first transatlantic crossings.
On both sides of the Atlantic and capture the excitement for cinema audiences.
Flying Boat Caledonia, they're ready for her crew to begin the greatest commercial flight yet attempted. At Foynes on the west coast of Ireland, Master Pilot Wilcoxon and his crew were given a send-off by President Never.
This is a real dream come true for me. My favorite book of all times is Night Over the Waters by Ken Follett, which actually describes all that is happening in one of these Yankee clippers as the boat is crossing over from Ireland, from exactly here, the Shannon River, over to America and Halifax. By the way, Matilda has been where these planes arrive on the other side of the Atlantic. You can watch this by looking at the link in the description below. A fantastic place. I cannot believe how cool this all is. What are you cooking for us today in this kitchen, my darling?
Apple and pears, by the looks of it.
Are you lying down?
I want to sleep upstairs on the high bed.
No, you're going to sleep here. No, you're going to sit down. Oh, this is too big for me. Can you sit over there? Hey, look, there's a suitcase there.
What's in my suitcase?
There's some money, there's some eating. I'll put something all in there. Daddy?
Yes?
You're going to sleep up here. That's a slide that slowly.
It's a surfboard.
Mommy, I don't want a surfboard.
What do you want? A snowboard?
Yeah. Look, Daddy.
Hello? Oh, Matilda, the phone is for you.
This looks like a panel with parachutes.
What are you doing in there, Matilda?
I'll do it with the Scooby. Come in. Come in. Come in.
Hello, Pilot Matilda.
Hey, we got six.
Yes, ma'am. Whereabouts are you flying to?
Shall I
Hey,
make a
I'm
little bit
just like, we're
faster?
going to fly to Libya, Bradley.
Is it a long way to get there?
Yeah. And we're going to go. I was doing it.
Okay, let's go.
You. Yes.
Where's the throttles then?
Yeah, up there, up there.
And Mummy is just about to put it in the drink.
Oh, man.
His house.
Maybe Daddy can fly to the snow.
Yeah, and I'm going to fly to you.
To the beach.
No, I'm going to fly to you.
Did you like the Flugy Museum?
Pretty cool, hey Matilda?
Did you like it?
I loved it. It was fantastic.
Did you like it?
I thought it was great. I liked it.
Or did you like it?
Well, you had to slip through the whole thing, didn't you?
Oh,
You'll have to watch Matilda Visits.
yeah.